Let's install a 1TB SD card and add Bluetooth to this customer's Ipod Classic. To open it up, we just got to pop off the back like this. Then we can disconnect the battery, hard drive, and headphone jack flex cable. This one had a faulty LCD, so I replaced that first. I then removed the headphone jack from the rear housing. This is where we'll wire the Bluetooth board to. This is the one we'll be using. It's called the KCX BT emitter and can be bought for only a couple dollars off of AliExpress if you want to try this mod yourself. I ran 3 wires off the bottom of the headphone jack to get the audio signal, and then hooked those up to the Bluetooth board. I also ran positive and negative wires to go to the battery. I also wired up the positive lead to the lock switch so we can use it as a power switch for the Bluetooth board. Next we can scroll that back into the rear housing and install our power button, which can be activated by pushing in the lock switch. Now to wire up our new 3000 mAh battery. This one's a bit over 4 times bigger than the original. In order to replace the hard drive with a micro SD card, we'll need to use one of these adapters. This one's called the iFlash Quad. I installed 4 256GB SD cards to give us the 1TB of storage, and then taped that down so it doesn't wiggle around in there. Before I sealed it back up, I also installed an additional antenna which will extend the range by quite a bit. Now to seal it back up and restore it with iTunes, and there we have it. This iPod's now fully decked out and ready to be sent back to the customer.